Morning children, this is Raj Gajendra Pillai. Today we are going to look into English grammar. Topic is adjectives. We have already done part 1. This is part 2. Be ready with your books. Let's see the contents and let's go ahead with this. Take out your notebooks. So, in the first table of contents we had done with what are adjectives, how do you define it, what are the question arises, how to locate a noun, how to find a adjective. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the describing word. It describes more about noun. We have seen how it's differ with color, how it differs with the numbers, how it describes. Certain particular noun is described by the adjectives. Sometimes it's with the number, sometimes it's with the size, sometimes it's with the color, right? So the adjectives are the describing words. What does it does? It modifies a noun or pronoun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a people, place, animal, thing. We have seen in the part 1, where in part 1 we have seen about the cars, how we learn about the cars, how we imagine a picture, what our question comes. When a noun is seen, we look into how it's described, how it modifies, right? Now today we are going to cover up the chapters. In that we can see order of adjectives, how to write adjectives in order. We have a sequence where we are using adjectives. So how these adjectives are to be used in a proper order. It has to be written. Like you define something, you define it. If you put the sentence, it should be in a order of adjective. We will see adjectives of number. In order of adjectives, we will see adjective of numbers and adjectives of color. Adjectives of number, adjectives of color, and an exercise to do in the last. We will be doing some exercises which you need to go through, right? So now let's go ahead to learn about order of adjectives, right? Now you have seen about the examples of how to locate a noun and find the adjectives, describing words. So now let's see order of adjectives. What are order of adjectives? In English, it is common to use more than one adjective to describe a noun. As we have seen the last example, we have seen there were two nouns and both were described. So in English, it is common to use more than one adjective to describe a noun. But this adjective must be used in a proper order. For example, you can see a black leather jacket, right? A black leather jacket, a leather black jacket. So it is talking about what? It is talking about the jacket. Jacket is what? Jacket is noun. A black, it's addressing about, describing about jacket. Leather jacket, when you talk about leather jacket. So now, so that there are two adjectives to describe a noun, but it must put in a proper order. You cannot write it randomly, whatever you want. So, a black leather jacket, a leather black jacket, a leather black jacket. What is correct in it? A leather black jacket. A black leather jacket doesn't work. A black leather jacket doesn't make a proper order of adjectives. A leather black jacket. It's talking about a leather black jacket. This is in a proper order. It's in a proper way of describing two adjectives in a row. A leather, black. A leather, black. Leather is what? Describing. Black is describing about the jacket. So the two words which are describing about the jacket. Right? So now please write it down. This order of adjectives is to be written in a proper order. It must be used in a proper order. In English it is common to use more than one adjective. In English it's common. You can use two adjectives comes. In most of the sentences where we address something, two adjectives comes before the noun describing it. Right? So what we have to do? We must use it in a proper order. Now let's go ahead to look at more about adjectives. So now choose the correct answer. Here order of adjectives. We are talking about order of adjectives. A big red plastic chair. We are talking about the sentences here. Which is the correct? You need to find out. A big red plastic chair. A red big plastic chair. A big plastic red chair. Chair is what? Chair is the noun in it. We have to first identify the noun. The first identification is the chair. So now here the description. A big red plastic chair. So the plastic chair, we take it as what? We take it as noun. What is describing? Chair. Red big plastic. A big plastic red chair. A big red plastic chair. So these are the three examples of the same sentence. Which is the correct order? The correct order is a red big plastic chair. A red big plastic chair. So this is the proper order. A red big plastic chair. A big plastic red chair doesn't make sense. It is not in proper order. A big red plastic chair. It's also not in proper way. Here a red big plastic chair. This is the proper one in the order of adjective. Please write it down. So now choose the correct answer. There's one more answer to find out. Still more there are. So now let's see. Choose the correct answer. A blue fancy sailing boat. A blue sailing fancy boat. A fancy blue sailing boat. Which is in the proper order? Let's see. A blue fancy sailing boat. Is it proper? A blue sailing fancy boat. Is it proper? A fancy blue sailing boat. Is it proper? No. Here a blue sailing fancy boat. A blue sailing fancy boat is the order of adjectives which is proper. A blue sailing fancy boat. It's a fancy boat. A blue sailing fancy boat. This is the proper answer. This is the proper order of adjective. Please write it down. You need to write it down. So now choose the correct answer. Order of adjective. An expensive antique golden necklace. Golden necklace. Necklace is what? The noun. Necklace is the noun. The golden necklace. An expensive antique golden necklace. An antique expensive golden necklace. A golden expensive antique necklace. So what is the proper order in it? An expensive antique golden necklace. A golden expensive antique necklace? No. An antique expensive golden necklace is the proper one. You talk about an antique expensive golden necklace. What is golden necklace? Golden necklace is the noun. Necklace is the noun. Golden, expensive, antique. So these are the describing words which is put in a order of adjectives. An antique expensive golden necklace. An antique golden, an antique expensive golden necklace. This is the proper correct answer. This is proper order of adjective. Please write it down. So now let's look on the adjectives of numbers. Order of adjectives we have seen. Now we are looking at adjective of number. Now let's look at the definition. The definition is adjectives which states the number of person or things. Adjective which states the number of person or things is called the adjective of numbers or numerical adjective. Now, adjective which states the number of person or thing. Number of person means 2 boys, 5 children, hundreds of men, 50 boys, 50 girls. Talk about persons. Things. We'll talk about things. What are things? 50 chairs, 10 tables. These are all what? 10 numerical. These are called as numeral. Numbers. When you talk about numbers, numerals. So now, adjectives which states the number of person or thing is called the adjective of numbers or numeral adjective. Please write this down. What does this does? Adjective. What are the adjectives? Which describes more about noun. The describing word. It's a describing word. What does this do? This describes about the number, numeral. It's called as numeral adjectives. Adjectives which define about number of person or things. Adjectives which describes more about noun. When describes about number of person or thing is what? Numeral adjective or adjective of number. Adjective showing the number of nouns or pronouns is called adjective of numbers. In other words, if you say adjectives showing the number of nouns or pronouns is called adjective of numbers. Right? It's 100. This is 50 chairs. This is 50 chairs. When you talk about this is how many chairs are there? There are 50 chairs. When you talk about numbers, when it comes on numbers, there are 10 fingers. We talk about 10 fingers. Right? Whose 10 fingers? Raja's 10 fingers. When you talk about Raja and 10 fingers, it's a person. 10 desks in the class. 10 desks in the class. In the class, when you talk about class, 10. These are all adjective of numbers. When the number comes which states the number, it states the number. How many numbers? In counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all countables. So now, when it comes in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all numbers. They are numeral adjectives or adjective of number. Please write it down. So now, adjective of numbers. Let's see example in the use. following are some examples showing the use of adjective of number in the sentence. The brilliant one of you can be the leader of this group. Who can be the leader of this group? The brilliant one. Not many, it's only brilliant one. So now the use of adjective of number you have seen here. Who can be the leader of this group? The brilliant one. Two children make a family perfect. How many children make a family perfect? Two children. So now the adjective of number. Children is what? Noun. What describing? Adjective. Adjective of number is describing about the noun. Two children make a family perfect. Few dogs are unhealthy. When we talk about few, not all. It's not all. We are not talking about all. It's some countable numbers, lesser numbers. Few are unhealthy. Few dogs are unhealthy. Few, not all. This means to say a small number. Some. Right. My legs have 8 fingers. What does it says about the finger? What does it say about my leg? It is saying about my leg. Have 8 fingers. Is telling about his legs. My leg have 8 fingers. Right? My leg is a body part which is actually said. The number of adjective used here is 8 fingers. My leg have 8 fingers. When you talk about 8 fingers of the legs, here the adjective of number is 8. Some women are upset. When you talk about some, particularly it's countable, small numbers. It's not like all the women. It has some, few, means less, countable numbers. Some are few. These are one and the same. Some women are upset. So now women are upset. Woman is the noun here. So there are some. Some is what? Some is the adjective of the number. Most of the boys are selected for cricket. Most means a large number. Most means a large. Few means less. Most means almost in a greater number. Like if it's 100, so it may be more than 60 or 70%. Like 60 or 70 selected. Most of the boys are selected in cricket. Most means in a bigger number. Most of. Right? So most is the adjective of a number. Most of boys are selected for cricket. What? For what? For cricket. Who selected? Boy. How many boys? Most of the boys. So now this is how you ask about the sentences and try to identify the nouns first. Boys. When you identify the noun, then you can identify the adjectives. 4 books of the management studies are very tough. 4 books of what? Of management studies are very tough. When you talk about how many books? 4 books. 4 books of management studies. 4 is what? Adjective of numbers. So please write it down so that we can go in the next page to look about. Now let's look into adjective of colors. Now we have seen adjective of numbers. What are adjective of colors? The adjective of number always comes before adjective of color. What comes before adjective of colors? Adjective of number always comes before adjective of colors. I have 4 red books. Here you can see the example. I have 4 red books. So red books. So the adjective of number 4 has come before adjective of colors. You can see that I have 4 red books. In the second instance, in the second sentence, there are 2 red pens on the table. When we talk about red pens, how many? 2. So always you can see the adjective of colors is there, and before that adjective of colors always adjective of number comes. So now it's clear, it should be clear now. Whatever adjective of colors are there, before that adjective of colors always the adjective of the number comes. Adjective of number always comes before adjective of colors. For example, you are seen here, I have 4 red books. I have 5 raincoats. When you talk about raincoats, right? There are 2 red pens on the table. There are 2 red pens on the table. Red pens is color of adjective and 2 is adjective of numbers. Can I borrow 1 brown crayon? Now 1 brown crayon. When you are talking about crayon, crayons are the things which we use for coloring the drawing made. So before the brown adjective of color, what has come? Adjective of number has come before the adjective of color. So you must always memorize that whenever there is adjective of number and adjective of color in a sentence, always the adjective of number always comes before the adjectives of color. So please write it down. Write down the examples as well. So now let's see the position of adjectives. The position of adjectives. Adjectives usually go before the noun, they modify. Adjectives usually go before the nouns, they modify. She is a nice girl. Here the adjective nice modifies the noun girl and goes before it. Now girl is what? Girl is the noun. Here adjective nice saying about the quality. Here the adjective nice modifies the noun girl and goes before it. See the position of adjectives here. Adjectives usually go before noun, they modify. Whenever there is modification, as we spoke about modification, nouns are the adjectives are the modifiers. Here see, he is an boy. Here to modify the boy, what has come? Intelligent. It has modified the boy. It has made intelligent boy. He is an intelligent boy. That was a idea, and before that idea you have modified the idea. It was a clever idea. That was a clever. When we talk about clever, it has modified the sentence. It has modified the idea. When 2 or more adjectives come before a noun, they are usually separated by commas. When 2 or more adjectives comes before a noun, if there are 2 adjectives which comes, for example, a table, right? Before that 2 adjectives are coming, a large, comma, round table. So now these both are describing about the table. So this 2 adjectives is put with a comma. A large round table. See the second example. A pretty girl. So here describing, see, a short, fair, pretty girl. So a short, 1 comma, then you write 1 more adjective, fair, pretty girl. When there are 2 adjectives before a noun, they are separated by commas. So you need to memorize this. Please write this down. Note that we do not put comma after the last adjective in the series. When there is two adjectives used and you have put a comma in the last adjective, you are not putting that comma. In the last adjective of the sentence which you are adding, you have not. Once you have put in one, the last one coming, the last adjective which is in the sentence does not require one comma. So no comma required after the last adjective in the series. Note that we do not put a comma after the last adjective. Not, when it should be near not. Only one comma with one adjective. The second one is not to be used. Right? After the last adjective, comma is never needed. So never put an comma, a punctuation mark there. Right? So memorize this properly. Now let's see more about adjectives. Let's do some exercise as well. So now let's find the adjectives. There is the exercise to be done. You have to find the adjective. It's already marked, but for your reference, go through it, write it down. It is a pretty flower. When you talk about flower, the description is pretty. Pretty is what? Pretty is the adjective which is defining more about the flower before the noun. I have a green apple. Apple. What type of apple? It's green. Describing. What is describing the noun here? Green. Green is what? Green is an adjective which is defining more about noun. My little dog likes to play. My dog. Dog is what? Dog is noun. What is defining it? What is mentioning, telling more about noun? My little dog. Little is what? Little is adjective. Dad gave me a yummy cake. What did dad give me? Dad gave me a yummy cake. What is cake? Cake is the noun here. Right? What is defining it? It's defining yummy. Tasty. Yummy is a tasty. Yummy is adjective. It was a hot day. When you talk about it was a hot day, it's talking about particular day which is very hot. What is describing the day? Hot. So hot is what? Hot is adjective. Kaila's dress is purple. Here, Kaila. What is Kaila? Kaila is noun. So Kaila's dress is purple. What is purple doing here? Purple is telling about Kaila's dress. It's describing the Kaila's dress is purple in color. The green snake is long. The snake, when you talk about snake, the green, what is green? The green is defining, describing more about snake. So now the green snake, green is what? Green is adjective. So now what are all adjectives are already marked. Just you have to write it down and memorize it and repeat it. Right? Now let's see the word bank. The word bank given here, we need to write and fill the proper blanks from the top, from the word bank. It was the dash day of the year. It was the hottest day of the year. The school is bigger than the house. The cat had the softest fur ever. Softest. The whale is the biggest animal in the sea. Victoria is taller than Sarah. The summer is hotter than the winter. The dog feels softer than a snake. My dad is the tallest in the family. Got it? So now these are all taken from the word bank. I hope you have written it. Yes. So now, happy learning. We have learnt about what? We have learnt about what all chapters we have learned today? Tell me. Adjectives. We have learned about adjectives. Adjectives of number. Adjectives of color. Right? What are adjectives? How do we form adjectives? All we have seen. What else you have seen today? Have you seen something else? Now, how to identify an adjective, how to get it in mind, the position of adjectives, right? Have you seen adjective of colors, adjective of numbers? You have seen, right? What all you have seen? You have seen the order of what? Have you seen the order of adjectives? How to put in a series? Yes, you have seen it, and now you must have written it. Go through it properly. Happy learning. Thank you.